Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. It's a cold day. Today I just feel like to make a sandwich. So I'm gonna make a egg and plantain sandwich guys. Beautiful, awesome, delicious recipe guys. So stay tuned for it. So for you guys, for the egg and plantain sandwich, we have one plantain, we have one mushroom already washed it already, we have two egg, we're gonna use half of this white onion, and we have two slices of brown bread. We're going to use a pinch of salt. We're going to use a pinch of pepper. That's all we're going to use to make this beautiful, awesome, delicious plantain sandwich in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So you guys can follow this recipe. If you guys at home, you want to make something different, you can look out for egg and plantain sandwich, guys.
Yes, my beautiful people, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to speed up this part of the video. I'm just going to cut up the mushroom, not too thin, not too thick, because I'm going to brown off the mushroom with the onion. After I cut up the mushroom, I'm just going to slice up this nice white, medium-sized white onion to brown off with the mushroom. So stay tuned for this awesome, delicious recipe, guys.
So what we do now, guys, we're just going to add in some olive oil. As I said before, you can add in any type of cooking oil for your preference. So we're just going to add in the mushroom first. And all of those mushrooms coat with that olive oil. Okay, I don't use a lot of olive oil, guys. You can use butter instead of the olive oil. Let me give that around 2 minutes before I add in the onion. Just want to burn off the mushroom a bit, then I add in the onion. What I'm going to do now, guys, the mushroom is in it for a minute. So I'm just going to add in the onion. So this is a plantain, the egg plantain sandwich we're making, guys, but we're putting some mushroom and onion in it. I'm making some breakfast today. So we're going to add in a pinch of salt. We're going to add in a pinch of pepper. So me know the mushroom over there is burning out slightly, guys. I'm going to give it another minute. So the plantain is here. We're going to do, we're just going to cut off the head of the plantain. We're going to cut the tail off the plantain. We'll get that away. Then we're going to get a knife. Just mark it down the side like that. So we're going to peel off the skin off of the plantain. So we don't want the skin off of the plantain. We get that away. And then what we're going to do now, our plantain, we're going to cut it in two halves. And then we're going to slice one of the half in 3 slices. So I don't want to cut them too thin. It's optional, guys, if you want to cut it thinner than me. So I cut it in 3 slices. That's it. My plantain is ready to fry. So my mushroom is here. It's all finished now, guys. Gonna get a plate. Scrape out all of my mushroom. Gonna add in some more olive oil in that. So I'm just gonna add in my plantain, guys. If you guys never have fried plantain before, please drop me a comment. If you guys have fried plantain before, still drop me a comment and let me know what you guys like fried plantain. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to turn them over on the next side. Because when you're frying plantain, you don't want your plantain to get burned. Because plantain is very easy to burn. And if you're frying the plantain, guys, don't make your plantain too ripe. Because if it's too ripe, it's going to suck up a lot of oil. And you don't want you to have a saggy fried plantain. So we're just going to give them a spin again, spin them on the next side, give them a couple seconds, and all to go. Beautiful, awesome egg plantain sandwich. Look up for, guys. So this is all finished, my people. Just going to get this out, get a little paper towel on the top. So any excess oil leaking off on that paper towel. I don't like to fry my plantain and then burn. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna fry my eggs in the same pot I fry the plantain. So just gonna add a pinch of salt to that. And a pinch of pepper. What I'm gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna turn on the egg. I like my egg well done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burst the egg, the yellow part in the egg. That's the way we have it, people. Two well done fried egg. Take them out. So any excess oil drip off on that paper towel. You can look up your egg whatever you want it, but I like my egg well done. The beautiful two well done fried egg, guys. Over here, guys, I have my mushroom, the onion, plantain, the egg, and the bread. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add one egg on that, gonna add a bit of plantain on it, and add a little bit of mushroom on it, gonna add a little bit of onion on it. It's just a nice egg, plantain, mushroom sandwich you look out for today in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna add one egg and that plantain, and that egg and that bread, my apology. So we're gonna put one well done egg right there, guys, and then we're gonna add 2 pieces of plantain right there. This is a beautiful sandwich you look for today, guys. You can check out this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna add a little bit of the mushroom on top of that plantain with that nice crispy onion with some pepper in it. It's a beautiful, nice, delicious sandwich, guys. Then what I'm gonna do now, we're just gonna add the next egg, the next bread on top of that plantain, and we're just gonna cut it.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is an awesome, delicious sandwich we look up in Selvin Kitchen. This is a egg plantain sandwich with some mushroom, with some onion. You guys can look up for your breakfast. You can look up for your lunch. You can look up for your snack. Hope you guys give me a thumbs up for the video. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. Please share the video with your friends and family. I'm going to drop the link. If you want to be a patron, you can sign up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, guys. Walk good. Selvin Kitchen. I love you guys. Stay safe.